Hello from Sri Lanka, we are in Miñana. Today is May the 30th. We are here right during the monsoon season. We had these fears of flooding, constant rain, no waves, and every restaurant, hostel or place shut down. We couldn't figure it out by what we were reading online, so we decided to come down ourselves, check it out, and let you guys know. Today is our fourth day here, and we've already been to an open mic, a live show at a cafe, several restaurants, and 2 different surfing spots. How does this compare to the on-season? We don't know, because we haven't been here. So let's ask some locals.
Everyone's got this stigma about it's raining all day, every day for literally 6 months. It's completely not true.
Less people is off-season, but sometimes it's raining, but sometimes it's sunshine.
It rains about around May to June, but then from June, July, August, it's cloudy with sunshine.
Yes, I have been here twice this year.
And it's good, there's no one around, so if you want surf without many people, then it's really good.
Except of 1 hour of rain during the day, it's basically the same.
So there's still things to do. There's just not tons of tourists walking along the streets.
It's a bit nicer now because it's a bit cooler.
You can't surf really around Miñana, however just in Weligama, out the front you can surf.
In Weligama, we have waves, all waves.
Fisherman's, which is just around the corner as well. There's plenty of waves if you want to surf with not many people.
Yeah, go down the lake.
Boat tour, Cinnamon Island, Temple Island.
Something else people do is rent scooters or bicycles and just go all inland. Then you meet local people that don't see tourists very often, and then they're super friendly and happy to see you. Animal SOS, it's this amazing non-profit. They have 1,200 dogs and they never are off-season, so they're always looking for volunteers.
Of course, less places is open because of the stigma of off-season.
Let me jump in here to tell you that yes, we had to be a bit more investigative to figure out where to go and when. But although many places were indeed closed, we found plenty of options for eating both international and local food. Tuna is everywhere. We cooked it ourselves several times. You can always find local rice and curry. Delicious, spicy, and pretty cheap. There are also great international options for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Like Skinny Tom's that offers good coffee, healthy cold-pressed juices, and delicious hoppers, among many other options. Or the Hang Time, that is not only about excellent food, but has a great view, good vibes, and open mic and sushi nights. And being here when it's not crowded has its perks for eating too. We would probably never have found the table at Chef Aquila's during the high season.
High season, season month. One day 100 people, 120, some days 65, 75 people, but I cook in all this kitchen.
Yeah.
His fried ice cream was the best. That's ice cream.
Yeah.
If you go to one of the surf camps operating all year, they'll offer you packages with nice dinners.
So come to the South Coast, it doesn't matter what season it is because you're always going to have a good time here.
So even though it's off-season, you should still come to the South Coast.
We look forward to everyone coming in off-season because it's better than you think it is.
The South Coast is more than well worth a visit all year round. If If you like the video, subscribe, like, share. We will keep posting relevant information for all the travelers out there. See you next time!